Hey, what's going on? So I'm about to leave on a little trip. We're gonna go kayaking on the Huron. It is snowing. It's a little cold. According to my car, it's 31 degrees. Not too bad because I have like multiple layers on, and when I put my wetsuit on over this, not that I plan on getting wet, it feels like I'm in an oven, so counteracting everything. Fantastic. Yeah, see you out there. Hey guys, what's going on? We are out here on the Huron River. The ice is starting to form. It looks kind of like wavy and plastic. It's interesting. It's that in between of the weather. I'm gonna use this thing to get some views underneath the ice. Hopefully they look good and not trash. It's a beautiful day out here. It's I believe it's in the 20s right now. As you can see by the snow falling and ice everywhere. Yeah, we're gonna start this journey and see where see how everything goes. See if we can see any cool wildlife too. I hope so. I know in the past I've seen muskrats, I've seen deer along the side sometimes, and I mean plenty of ducks, geese, and swans, of course, but let's find out. All right, so let's get out here. Oops, scraping an iceberg. Captain, there's an iceberg ahead. So before there's any comments about it, yes, I am wearing jeans. They're quite comfortable because I have my wetsuit on and an underlayer under that. So I am extra toasty, except for my one big toe. I don't know why that one big toe is cold, but let's continue on. So right here, it's a little deep for my comfort just because of how cold it is. I can't see the bottom, and I know right here, when I am able to see the bottom in the summer, I can't stand here. So let's get a little closer to shore. See, ground, I can see it now, thank God. hope I can get a close-up of this muskrat before it jumps into the water, because they can stay underwater for almost 17 minutes by slowing their heart rate way down and using their little back webbed feet like flippers. No. A lot of people actually confuse their homes with beaver lodges, but muskrats build like the smaller domes made of cattails, mud, and whatever other junk they can pull out of the river and stack together. Sometimes they skip the whole lodge thing and just burrow into the riverbank, which is probably where this one lives, right over there. Diet-wise, they're mostly plant eaters. Pretty much any pond weeds and all the veggies they find in the river. Every now and again they'll snack on something like a clam or a snail or a frog if they feel like putting the effort to catching one. And don't let that size fool you. Even though they're about 2 to 4 pounds, they're extremely territorial. While I was out kayaking on the Hull's Trace video, one actually jumped up onto my kayak and it scared the daylights out of me. It's really cool though, because muskrats are built for Michigan winters. Their fur is super dense and it repels water, so even out here in the freezing cold, doesn't really make a difference to them. They're still warm and toasty underneath all that fur. Anyway, cool little encounter out here. You never know what you're gonna bump into on the Huron. You're being overdramatic. I ain't even coming for you. Oh look, mallard. Anyways. You keep on your direction, I'll keep on my direction. Over dramatic. Every time. How beautiful this is. Is that a muskrat? Sure is. Sure not a duck. Wonderful. So I just pulled out my phone and I realized that my battery on my GoPro is super low, which is awesome because I thought I charged it and thought I brought an extra battery. Why do I do this to myself? So hopefully I can get enough video so at least make a something that people want to watch and not like, you know, a 2-second, oh, by the way, here's the Huron River. Bye. One of these days I will get Pelican to sponsor me. Probably not, but you know, I'm an outdoor sports guy, influencer. I don't know. Oh, this is solid. Iceberg Captain. How gorgeous this is. That's all water right over here. In the spring, I'll make sure to paddle over there before it gets filled with lily pads. Whoop! Oh, I'd have been so mad if I just flipped my kayak. Oh my god. And that would have been my own stupid fault. Oh my god, I cannot believe I almost did that. Oh my god. Oh, dear god. I wonder why the ice looks like plastic. I know I said that at the beginning of the video, but it's really curious to me. Like, it's got to be because of the temperature and the way the water's flowing. I don't know. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna look it up and do something about it in the voiceover, because that's really cool. And this isn't the first time I've seen this either. I saw a YouTube video. Somebody did a video in Lake Erie, and they were talking about the ice looking like plastic like that. All right, here's where I get out, guys. How are you doing? It's not slippery outside. All right, this is this is easier going down than it is going up. There you go. I can probably go sledding in this thing.